we could do.
So you don't mess with the tires.
Right, generally speaking.
Because the reason you spray lubricant in or spray cleaner in there could ruin the lubricant.
Ruin the lubricant, and you don't want all that stuff coming out, and so we'll leave that alone.
Okay.
All right, you got that side finished? All right, come on over here, Jess. I'll show you how to do this side, then I'll let you do that side. So again, a lot of different ways to set the ladder up. Main thing is don't damage the airplane, but number one, don't damage yourself. So anywhere where you think you can't reach, I just kind of start right here. And again, it's not that we're getting the whole, we're not cleaning the whole surface here. If you saw a big bug spot right there, wipe it off. But we're just getting this right here. Like that light, that's okay to spray it like that. If you can't reach, you can bring this around to the back side and get the rest. But now this is one of those where you'll end up, instead of bringing the ladder around twice, I bring the ladder to that side. You can spray that side, just wait a minute and then wipe it instead of moving the ladder back and forth every time. Okay. But here we go, when we're moving the ladder, you can lay it down flat and walk around, or you can kind of just drag it around like this. Notice there's all kinds of antennas sticking out, so you want to give yourself plenty of clearance. Okay, climb on up here and spray that. Again, you could set it behind the horizontal stabilizer if you felt that was better. I think you'll be able to reach this a little better here. It's a little bit of a stretch. You'll have to kind of just reach your hand out and do your best to spray it. We'll probably clean from the back side. There you go.
Did you go all the way down to like right there?
Just wherever you can't reach, because
you
can get that on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's no right or wrong. Here you go. Well, go ahead and wipe that. I know we normally let it kick in for a minute, and I'll hold that for you. Then you don't have to move the ladder again. You can put your hand on this to a degree. See where the rivets are?
Yeah.
There's support there, so you can kind of, you see how flimsy that is?
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to lean on that. So
you're talking about where the rivets are, okay?
where the rivets are, there's support underneath there. In between here, that's just aluminum laid across. There's nothing in there. If I want to punch that, I could put a nice dent in there. So I mean, as you're scrubbing that, if you need to put your hand on here, that's okay. You're not gonna mess it up. So see if you can wipe that down. Again, you can always move the ladder. Don't fall.
Don't reach out
too far. Reach as far as you can, then we can get the top from the back side if you need to. Try to get it good and dry so it doesn't leave any streaks. You think you got it? That's fine. We'll move the ladder. Yeah.
Last thing you want to do is fall on that tail strut.
Yeah.
There's always, we're more worried about using the airplane. Property can always be replaced, not people. Now this is the trick here, see that? So you can probably do this a little closer like that, but what you're going to have to do is just be aware of, watch this here. I'll tell you what, I'll get this side and I'll let you do the other side just to kind of show it. So I would climb up here like this, watching that antenna. Got the rest. Little spots over here.
Would you clean the antenna or no?
You can, yeah. Sometimes I'll take it and just wipe it along. This one's just kind of so old, it's already got spots we're never going to get off of it. I do have some brightener that I could try to put on there, but that's something I would do. I wouldn't worry about it on a weekly deal. That's something we'll show you how to do later, like in advance.
Okay.
I'm just learning myself. But yeah, I'll just kind of wipe it off like that. And again, when you catch these, when these white rags kind of catch on stuff, they have a tendency to peel off. Just watch that. That's it. As I'm climbing down, I'm looking to make sure I didn't miss anything, so I don't have to climb back up. This is also like on the windshield. If you don't get it really dry, it kind of dries with little streaks on there. So if this starts getting too wet, you'll grab another one and wipe it off.
And like this marks right there.
Oh yeah, you see those? Yeah. That's a good eye, good eye. I may have, the towel might be drying up, let's see. It will dry to a degree, but if you see it pretty thick, we'll come back and see if that evaporates or if we gotta wipe it down. Now here I would go ahead and just start, since the ladder is right here, instead of moving it all the way around, I'd come right here and climb up there and get what you can. Remember, watch the antenna. Is that how I had the ladder on the other side? How did I have it?
You had it,
I think it was.
turned around.
That would put him way
No,
over
the
on this
other-
side.
Oh, that's true.
With the stairs were close to the.
More like that?
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
so.
I don't want you in position over the antenna is you're all right. And even from standing here, you can see I can reach a lot just from standing here. So you only have to come down about that far. Yeah. Just get from right here. As a matter of fact, you don't even need the ladder.
Main thing is get upper, Jess,
Yeah,
up
make sure you got that good.
and up by the light.
Right above the antenna, is that a scratch or a bug? See that? Sometimes I'll, yep, see how that came off?
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll just lick my thumb or something and rub it real hard if that makes it come off. And then I rub the cleaner over. Okay. Good. The rest, I think you don't even need the ladder. You can just walk down here and see it?
And I'd pull that ladder away from the plane.
Yeah. That's good. And then just come on here. I think you can get the rest you standing on the ground. It all kind of puddled up down here. You'll see it. Go ahead. Okay. If that one's getting wet, you can use this one. This one's a little drier. Okay. Light will play tricks on you, so you gotta look at it in different lighting. And the lighting here is terrible for
Yeah.
kind of looking at that. You could open that. I just don't know. Sometimes it gives you more ventilation, but then the sunlight's coming in, so
And then he also lets dust in.
lets dust in. And the floor, it's almost a pot with all this other stuff. It's hard to keep the floor.
Does he have a big boat or something?
Yeah. Okay. Good? Looks good. Scratch. Nope. See, you never know. Sometimes I just do that. As I'm walking around, I just
Thumb it clean.
thumb it clean. Good. So that, if we had vacuumed the inside, done the windshield, there's one more. Let's go back to the front now. And we'll edit this in a different order probably
Yeah.
because I know I'm just kind of walking around. Another spot you're going to get bugs, as you can imagine, just like your car.
Yeah.
Right there. So if you'll grab the bottle, let's spray the front. We'll spray around here and then we'll wipe it down.
Okay.
I usually get that, check the wheel pants, and you'd be done.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's, like I said, you might take 30 minutes on some days with it.
You also wanted to see the floor plan?
Those will be things that we'll just kind of play. Let's say he comes in here and he only has to spend 30 minutes on the airplane. I'd say if you got extra time, then yeah, we'll sweep the floor. It's not, you're not going to mop it. It's not going to be. It needs a good cleaning. But sometimes when the owner's bad about turning on the airplane with the door open and
Blowing everything in.
stuff, you can't keep it clean. It's impossible. And I've told him, I said, I can't keep it clean if you're going to do that. So, but if you see a lot of bugs, I'll take that sweet broom and, you know, I just do one continuous run, get all the big stuff, shove it out the back, and I'm done. I don't, it needs it. We're going to probably do a good spring cleaning on this and clean the floors and all that, but, okay.
For the light.
So the light's okay. You can spray the light. We won't spray the filter. That's the air intake. So let's see. I'll do this one just to show you. So here's how I do it. I just get it right up there. If you get it in the engine, that's not a big deal. A little over into that, that's not going to matter. Just don't directly hit it. Sometimes you got to put it right on the light to get all the bugs off. And come around here, kind of get right up here. If there's anything on the spinner, there's usually bugs on the spinner. This is a metal prop. You can just hit it like that. And get the bugs off the prop. Front and back. Don't even breathe this stuff. While that's settling, come over here. You see there's a little bit of grease coming off of here. That'll probably come off. Probably don't even have to. If you got a rag that's already wet, just wipe that. It'll probably come right off. If you had a lot of bugs on there, you could just hit that too, but generally it's going to be where we hit. The other spot, I will spray. There's really not much on here.
How about the bottom struts?
I'll put it on here just so. Oh, right here, yeah. See all those bugs right there?
Yeah.
So we'll hit those. We'll spray it on the other side here.
Now you've got some right here too on this bottom strut right here.
Oh, did we? Okay. A lot of that scratches.
Oh, is it?
believe or
Okay.
not, yeah.
From getting.
If not sure, we'll just hit it again like that and wipe it again. Now see how I'm backing up? That prop's waiting to hit me.
Yeah.
If you're not thinking about it, you're like, okay, let me go back to the other side. Bam! So when you're sitting down like this, you probably ought to
Double check.
double check before you stand up. That's why don't be in a rush. I was starting to rush over there. I'll get this one. I don't really use, if you start cleaning a lot of surface area, you don't want to use this. So I've kind of probably gone farther than I should with that. I probably should just hit the front for the bugs. Because normally, you're going to use the Aeroglaze when you're doing surfaces like that. And that Aeroglaze takes that grease off beautifully. Does a good job. But for hitting the bugs, this is fine. And then right here, again, I always say stay away from there, right? So we'll come over here, take this off. It just pulls out like that.
You give him the number 9.
See that grease in the back?
Yeah.
That really needs Aeroglaze, but I'm going to hit a little bit of this for the bugs. But we might put a little Aeroglaze on there. I just want you to see if all you had to do was spray the bugs and vacuum, this would be a 30-minute job. It's going to generally be longer because when you clean the wheel pants, which I would clean probably every week, you'll end up putting Aeroglaze on them. Okay. I kind of went crazy and sprayed them with this, but anyway. All right. You can start there and start wiping down. So just start on the side and, try to wipe from here. Watch the prop. I'll help you on the other side. I'll get a rag going. It's weird, the Aeroglaze is really good on the grease, but it takes a little more effort when you're cleaning the bugs. I don't know why. You think if it could take off grease, it could take off bugs. And it will take off bugs, it just doesn't seem to be as good as the...
Jess, you want to keep your head behind that blade.
Yeah, so just be mindful of where it's at. Again, if you get down here and you start getting into a lot of grease and dirt, we'll put the aero glaze on there. These wheel pants are just so beat up. They're just, it's a lot easier on a new airplane because you can tell what's
Yeah.
what's a bug and what's not. Now Jess, on the back here, where all that grease was, it came off nicely with just the sparkle. So, when you can use the sparkle, the nice thing is, you know, it's a one-step process. Wipe on, wipe off. Or the other, you wipe on, let it dry, and then you gotta come back. This is kind of, I shouldn't say this is a wipe on, wipe off. This is just a wipe on and you're done.
Okay.
The other is a two-step process. When you're on the prop, just try not to move it. Just wipe it down. See all that grime coming off. Kind of looking for the bug. Getting the bugs off.
Get the backside too, Jess.
I rotate the, flip your rag around, especially when you start getting into grease. It's going to start getting grease on it. Just got to rotate it around every now and then. Feisty bugs get down in these little cracks here, and you get require a very tactical approach. Pinpoint targeting. Now I'm seeing a lot, you know, a lot of this kind of